Hello, you're welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make $25 daily by just reading and editing. So I was just surfing the internet today and I went to some of these freelancing websites, and I was very surprised with what I saw, that there are actually people out there that are requesting for people to help them read and edit their content. So what actually made me surprised is that whenever I write content for myself, I have a particular software that usually make me see the errors that I've made so that I'll be able to correct it while writing. Then an idea came to me that one can actually apply for these jobs even if you did not study English in school. And what makes this possible is that there are actually softwares that can help you achieve this. The thing is that these people that are looking for people to help them edit their content, they don't know that software like this exists. So, but the fact that you know, and if you don't know, I'm going to show you in this video how you can use the software. So make sure you stay to the end and don't skip any part so you're able to understand what I'm explaining in this video. So with the help of this software, we'll be able to edit the content. It will show us all the errors and what we can correct. And in less than some hours, you are going to be through with editing the content. Now the advantage that you have is this: there are many people that are competing in this proofreading niche. The truth about proofreading is this: it takes a very long time and patience to edit the content. Just imagine someone gives you 100-page content to proofread. You know how long it's going to take, from reading, looking at the grammatical errors, looking at the spellings, and so on and so forth. It's going to take very, very long. But with the help of this software, which I will show you very soon, you'll be able to edit even 100-page content in a day. So if there are so many people applying for the job and you can convince the person that wants to edit his content that you can get the job for the person in less than 24 hours. If you are the person that wants people to edit your content, what will you do? You will give the person that can achieve that in less than 24 hours, right? So let's get started. So before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Abdul-wasi, and I share different tips, tricks, strategies, and tutorials that you can use to make money online and also improve your online business. So if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release a new helpful video. So without further ado, let's get started. So now this is one of the popular freelancing websites, which is called freelancer.com. So I decided to search for proofread. So you can see, if you can see here, you can see proofreading and correcting. I would like a person to proofread a very large number of pages, which is 155 pages. So now imagine you are going to read this manually and now see how long it's going to take. So you can see this one: to proofread my website, I need a very fast and reliable proofreader. You can see proofreading again. So you can see the amounts: $15 to $25, $15 to $25, $15 to $25. So you can see now the bid is open. It means that you can bid for it. Now let's just try to look at the people that are bidding. So you can see now, this is the project, and the person is willing to pay $15 to $25 per hour. So this person knows how long it's going to take for someone to actually read and edit 185 pages. So this is one example. Let's look for another employer. So let's search for proofread. So now let's look at this one. If you can see, this is ebook proofing and editing. I have a ebook that is 11,300 words, and that I have a ebook. This is even an error. You can, so you even know from here that this person is going to have lots of error in his ebook. So you can see it's also, I have an ebook, but he said I have a ebook. So but let's just assume he made a mistake. So I have a ebook that is 11,300 words that I need proofread and to have any need. So let's open this and see how it is. And you can see he's willing to pay within $30 to $250. So you can see I have a ebook that is 11,300 words that I need proofread and to have any needed editing completed. So you can see he's willing to pay within $30 to $250. So if you look at the proposals that other people have placed, so let's look at that and see how it is. So you can see now there are over 34 bids already. But let's look at the duration they are going to use to give him his results. So if you can see, this person is going to give in 3 days. You can see 3 days, 4 days, 3 days. This one is using a special package. So you can see 2 days, 5 days, 3 days, and so on and so forth like that. But with this software I'm going to show you at the end of the video, you're going to see that you can actually complete this guy's project in 24 hours. 24 hours is actually too much, but let's just continue. So now this is for freelancer. Let me now quickly show you Fiverr. Fiverr is another popular freelancing website. So if you go there now, you can see these are people. I searched for proofreading. So this is proofreading. So these are the results for proofreading. So you can see I will check your grammar, spelling. I will do meticulous like that. There are so many. There are so many gigs right here. So if I click on this lady, let's look at this lady's gig. So now if you can see, she said what a basic plan is what up to 4,000 words. For 4,000 words that she's going to proofread, she's going to do that for $15. And how many days? You can see 2 days delivery. So you will see that all these people are actually doing the work manually. So it means that most of these people that are actually doing this job, they don't really know much about this software that can help them achieve the results very, very fast. So in order not to waste too much of our time, let's quickly go into the software. So I've already shown you two popular freelancing websites, and obviously that's how it's going to be for other freelancing websites. So if you are not registered to any freelancing website yet, I'm going to put the link in the description below. So I'm going to put the link to freelancer.com, and I'm also going to put the link to Fiverr's website. So I'll put it in the description below. So you can go there, register, then begin to apply for jobs on Freelancer. Then you need to create your gig on Fiverr. So real quick, let me show you the software. So the software is called Grammarly. So what you need to do is just to go to Grammarly.com, register on their website, and also download the Chrome extension. So let's quickly go there. So this is Grammarly.com website. So I've also provided the link in the description below. You can just click the link to get to the website. So when you get to the website, you arrive at a page like this. So all you just have to do is just to click on Add to Chrome. So you can see this is Add to Chrome. Right now I'm in incognito mode, because if I log into my normal browser, it's going to take me straight into my account. So I just want to show you how the page looks like when you visit the website. So this is how it is. So what you just have to do is just to click Add to Chrome. So as you click Add to Chrome, it's going to download the Chrome extension for you. So this is how the Chrome extension is. So you can see here Grammarly. So this is G for Grammarly. So this is the Chrome extension. So you can see this is the Chrome extension here. I clicked on it. So you can see Grammarly for Chrome and everything here. So this is how it is. So the way you can edit content is this. So let's assume you've already applied for those jobs on freelancer.com, or you have some people buying your gigs on Fiverr. So you just have to do just to get the text content, then visit Grammarly.com. You go to the after you download the Chrome and register, so you can go to the website, then you upload the file. So this is the file that I've uploaded. It's an ebook. So, but let me just quickly show you how to upload a file like this. So I will just log in into Grammarly.com and show you where you can actually upload a file. So when you go to Grammarly.com, this is how the home page is. So if you want to upload a file, all you just have to do is just to click on upload there. So you can see upload. So all you just have to do is just to click on upload to upload the file. So you can just upload your document file. So let's assume you have your Microsoft Word file. All you can just do is just to click on upload, then select the file that you want to edit. So at the same time, let's assume the file that the client or the employer gives to you is in another format. So let's say maybe it's in .pdf, because you cannot edit PDF file on Grammarly. So all you can just do is just to either convert that PDF to document file, then you upload it right here. So if you don't know how to convert a PDF file to document file, all you can just do is just to go to Google and type and search for convert PDF to document. So you will see some online application that you can use. So all you just have to do is also upload the software, then it's going to give you the PDF, then it's going to give you the document file. So that is just how it is. So once you get that, then you can come back here to upload the file into Grammarly. So you're able to start editing. Or you can decide to copy all the text in your PDF file, then you click on new. So once you copy the text from the PDF file, all you just have to do is also click on new and paste the text. Then you begin to edit right from there. Or you can also go to your Google Doc to do your editing from there. So this Grammarly Chrome extension is going to assist you by pointing out the errors and things that you need to correct from there. But if you prefer coming down to the website, just like what I'm doing right here, all you just have to do is just to upload the file. So this is a file that I've uploaded. So let me just show you here. So this is it. So you can see now it's pointing out all the errors. So you can see all this place that is in red. You can see there are so many errors here. So you can see it's showing me that there are 35 alerts. Now imagine how fast I'm going to do that. So if you want to correct it, so all you just have to do is just to click on it. So you can see this is mini training, and I clicked on. So now that I click on it, you can see mini trainings. All I just have to do is just to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to correct it here. So you can see now it's already corrected. If you can see here, you see that there's also another error here. So all I just need to do is just to click on this. So you can see version 4. So space. All I just need to do is just to click on it, and it's corrected. So that's all you just have to do. You just have to click on it, then you select the correct spelling. So that's it. So the software picks out all the errors, then all you just have to do is just to click on it and edit. So in less than some hours, you'll be able to edit someone's document. Then another thing is this: your clients might be from another country, because we have the way US speak their English is quite different from the way UK speak their English, the way Canadian also speak their English, so they are different. So, and with this software can actually help you edit your content based on the language that you want. So let's assume you want to edit your content to suit a particular English version, maybe the US or the UK version. So all you just have to do is just to go to your Chrome extension, you click on it, then you can see my Grammarly. So once you click on my Grammarly, then it takes you to your Grammarly account. So this is your Grammarly account. Then all you just have to do is just to click on accounts, then you click on customize. Then you can see here my primary language is English. So depending on the language you want, maybe it's Arabic or whatever. So you pick your language. Then you can see I write in British English. But let's assume you want to edit a content that is American English. So you can just change to American English right here. So you can see this American English, this is Canadian English, this is Australian English. So you can pick any of this English version that you want to edit the content in. So you can see how cool this software is. So in less than a few hours, you'll be able to edit someone's content and be able to get paid. So that's just how simple it is. So in summary, all you just have to do, you need to go to some of these freelancing websites, maybe like Upwork or freelancer.com or fiverr.com, or any of these platforms. Then depending on the freelancing platform, you position yourself as someone that can proofread and also edit. Then when you get the jobs, so you just have to use the software to edit and be able to deliver to the person in less than some hours. So that's just how simple it is. So I hope this tutorial is helpful, and I hope this tutorial was able to give you an idea of something that you can do. So I hope you've learned something today. So if you really learned something today, so please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell, and don't forget to click the like button and also give a comment in the comment box below. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.